Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this aura mango inspired set with an airbrush. The airbrush I'm using is from Amazon. It was around $30 to $35. I'm not sure the exact price. I'll put it on the screen when I look it up. You're also going to need acetone to clean the airbrush between each color. These are the gels I'm using. I got it off Amazon. It's basically like pre-diluted gel polish, so you don't have to do the whole process of like mixing gel polish with acetone and getting it super like watery and perfect for the airbrush. You just use these. It's so much easier. I always start by putting some acetone in the airbrush and running it through just to double check that there's no color from the last time I used it. I just spray a little lint-free pad and make sure it runs clear. These are the nail tips I'm using. It is medium round from Apres, and I already used 2 layers of sheer new polish. I'm going to be starting with the color orange, which is N05, and I'm just going to put a few drops into the airbrush. That's all I'm putting in. There's no acetone or anything. For this design, I'm basically just spraying a random area on each nail, never the same spot. That's really how I got the design. So with the orange, I start by doing the orange spots, the tips, the sides, only once also. So here's the orange. As you can see, it's just one random spot. Here's the other hand, because in this video I am making that full press-on set. So here's the other hand just real quickly. And there's the orange spots. And then here I am cleaning it, so I'm just pouring some acetone into the airbrush and then spraying it onto the white lint-free pad. And I'm going to do that until it sprays clear. Once it runs clear, we're going to move on to the color green, and just like the orange, we're just going to be spraying random spots only once so it doesn't like get too messy. So there is the thumbnail. Here is the pointer. And this is where you really see the design coming together. And this paint is so nice. It blends so well. And there it is. I'm gonna do the second hand, just speed through it real quick. Here I am cleaning out again to prep for the pink shade. I'm just gonna spray that until it runs clear. same process. It's so simple. It's honestly really simple. And with the pink, I'm just gonna fill in the rest of the nail. So as you can see, the bottom of this nail is green and orange, and then I'm just gonna take the pink and fill in the rest. And also on camera, it's a lot more bright than in person. Here's what it looks like after the pink. I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat that and put it in the box. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.